First, open the Google Play Store on your Samsung phone. Tap the Search option. Then tap the search box at the top. Type App Lock. Find App Lock Pro from the search results. Tap Install. Wait for the app to finish installing. Once it's installed, tap Open. Now you need to complete the initial setup. First, create a PIN that you want to use to lock your apps. Enter your PIN. Then enter it again to confirm. The app may also ask for some permissions. Tap Permit and allow the required permissions. Once the setup is complete, you will see the apps that can be locked. To lock an app, find the app you want to protect. Then tap the padlock icon next to it. The app will now be locked. For example, if you lock the Authenticator app, anyone who tries to open it will first see the app lock screen. Enter the PIN you created earlier. After entering the correct PIN, the app will open. That's it. This is how you can lock apps on a Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.